Hey Queens, hey, and welcome back to my channel where you will find quiet life, simple joys, and soft life. And today, as you can see, we're about to do our nails. Yes, Queens, it's a new week, and I need to put some nails on these stubby little fingers of mine. Y'all don't talk about me. They look a mess. Yes, I have really have not been taking care of my nails like I should. I had a set on previously, and y'all, I have not been taking care of them. So in this video, you're gonna see how I put on these nails that I've gotten from the TikTok shop, and these are reused set. As you can see, I've used these nails before, and that's how well and sturdy they are. So I will definitely have the link to these nails down below in the description box. But sit back, enjoy, grab yourself a drink, and watch me put on this week's nails. So Queens, the first thing is always prep your nails. I've already washed my nails. I've already took all the oils out of my nails and all of the things, and I am now showing you all of the products that I'm using to put on my reusable nails on today. And so as you can see, I'm showing you my lotion, some oil that I have created for myself. I call it my self-love oil. So I have some essential oils in that, my lotion, my Aqua 4 honey for these dry hands, and of course these TikTok shop nails, which I will have the link below. I also have a drill, y'all. This drill I've had forever. Yes. I have a nail file. I also have a cuticle cleaner. It's like a cuticle cutter. When I push my cuticles back, I like to get all that dead skin off. And the perfect glue that I use is right from the Dollar Tree. So y'all, let's get started with this process. So right here, as you can see, I am cleaning up the nails that I've already used before, and I'm using them again. Go to my TikTok shop and get you these nails, y'all. They have them in so many cute designs that I truly love. And you can actually see the thickness and the quality of these nails as I drill. So I'm drilling them because I'm getting rid of that old glue that was sitting on the nail when I took them off previously, so we can have a cleaner start when we put them back on. So I'm going to do this for each nail. I'm not going to show you that, but you get the idea of what I'm doing here, and I'm just shaping them and cleaning them up a little bit. Now, of course, with any set of nails, you want to make sure you size up the nail with your nail bed. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm making sure I put them in order according to my nail bed. So when it's time to glue, everything will be in its proper place, and I won't have to hunt around for the nail that fits my nail bed. So there you have it, every nail in its proper place. Now it's time to apply. But first, let's clean up those cuticles. And don't forget the buffing. Now, after the buffing, we want to wash our hands, dry them really, really good, and now it's time to apply the nails. We want to go in with our glue and let's get to work. This step is kind of self-explanatory, so watch and learn. One tip I want to give you all is that when we apply these nails, we want to get as close as we can up under that cuticle. That way, we can make sure all the air bubbles is out, we don't have no gaps, and this will help the nail to stay on longer. And lastly, you don't need that much glue. Just a dab would do you. You don't have to have glue dripping all down your fingers and so much that it gets everywhere. You don't need that much glue. You just need to press for about 30 to 40 seconds and it will stay. Trust me. My nails last for about a week or two. And so these are my tips. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Watch me put these set of nails on, y'all. I am enjoying my nail journey and I hope you are too. So there you have it, queens. This has been another video. I hope that you learned something new in this video. I hope that you tried to put on some false nails. I hope that this has been inspiring to you in some kind of way. Even if it's not false nails, I hope that you do something for yourself. This channel is all about enjoying life, soft life. Life doesn't have to be hard. We can do things that glamorize ourselves. We don't have to spend so much money and so much time. We can do small things right at home and soften our lives in so many different ways. So this is one way that I do it each and every week, or maybe even 2 weeks, depending on how long my nails last. So I hope this was beneficial to you. I hope that you learned something new on today. And I hope that you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope that you follow me on all platforms because I would love for you to be a part of my tribe. Queen, know that I love you, but God loves you more. And I'm going to see you at the top because there's no more room at the bottom. And remember, self-love isn't selfish, it's necessary. So make sure you do something for yourself today and each and every day because you need you. Queen, it is important to love on you. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.